The moment this 1973 Dodge Challenger fires up, the world goes quiet because 493 cubic inches of fuel-injected V8 rage just stole all the attention, and once you hear it, there's no turning back. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe right now, because today we are diving deep into something loud, unapologetic, and absolutely intoxicating. Sitting in front of us is not just a classic muscle car. This is a statement, a rolling piece of American rebellion, a 1973 Dodge Challenger that has been transformed into a fire-breathing, fuel-injected monster that laughs at restraint and lives purely for adrenaline. The moment you lay eyes on a 1973 Dodge Challenger, you feel the weight of history. This was a time when muscle cars were fighting against tightening regulations, when horsepower numbers were being choked down on paper, but the spirit of raw American performance refused to die. The Challenger itself has always been the outlaw of the pony car world, longer, wider, more aggressive than its rivals, designed not just to compete, but to intimidate. And this particular example takes that legacy and turns it up to a level that borders on outrageous. Under that long, sculpted hood is where the real story begins. Forget factory specs, forget emissions era compromises. This Challenger is powered by a rowdy fuel-injected 493 cubic inch V8. Let that number sink in. 493 cubic inches of big block fury, built not for efficiency, but for dominance. This is the kind of engine that doesn't just start, it erupts. One twist of the key and the car announces itself to the world with a deep, thunderous idle that shakes the pavement and sends vibrations straight through your chest. This is not background noise, this is a declaration. The electronic fuel injection system brings old-school brutality into the modern era. Unlike the carbureted setups of the past, this fuel-injected 493 delivers instant throttle response, smoother cold starts, and relentless consistency. You don't just tap the gas pedal, you command it, and the engine responds immediately, snapping to attention like a predator ready to pounce. It's the perfect marriage of classic muscle and modern drivability, giving you the raw power you crave without sacrificing reliability. All that torque is channeled through a stout 3-speed automatic transmission, a setup chosen not for complexity, but for strength. This transmission is built to handle the abuse, to absorb the punishment of hard launches and aggressive cruising. Drop it into drive, roll into the throttle, and the Challenger surges forward with effortless authority. There's no hesitation, no drama, just pure linear acceleration that feels endless. This is the kind of car that doesn't need to prove itself with numbers. You feel it in your spine. Power steering makes sure that despite its aggressive nature, this Challenger remains manageable. The wheel feels solid in your hands, connected but not overwhelming, allowing you to guide this muscle-bound machine with confidence. Up front, power disc brakes provide the stopping force needed to rein in all that power. Because let's be honest, when you're running a 493 cubic inch V8, stopping is just as important as going fast, and this car delivers that balance. The dual exhaust system is pure muscle car poetry. Every pulse of the engine is translated into a rich, aggressive soundtrack that echoes off buildings and rolls across open highways. At idle, it growls with menace. Under acceleration, it roars with authority. And when you lift off the throttle, it crackles and burbles, reminding you that this machine is alive, mechanical, and unapologetically loud. This isn't a car you sneak around in. This is a car that demands attention everywhere it goes. Visually, the 1973 Challenger is a masterclass in muscle car design. The long hood, the wide stance, the aggressive front end, everything about it screams power. This era of Challenger carries a slightly heavier, more substantial presence than earlier models, giving it an imposing look that perfectly matches the brute force hiding beneath the hood. It sits low and wide, planted like it's daring the road to challenge it. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends classic muscle aesthetics with purposeful simplicity. This is a driver's car. The seating position puts you in command, looking out over that endless hood with the sense that you're piloting something truly special. Every gauge, every switch, every surface reminds you that this car was built to be driven, not just admired. It's an experience that modern cars simply can't replicate, raw, immersive, and deeply connected. What makes this 1973 Dodge Challenger truly special is the attitude it carries. This is not a museum piece. This is not a trailer queen. This is a car built to be driven, to be felt, to be experienced experienced. It represents what muscle cars were always meant to be: powerful, slightly unruly, and deeply personal. Every modification, every upgrade, every detail serves a purpose: to amplify the thrill. On the road, this Challenger feels alive. The torque hits hard and early, pushing you back into the seat as the scenery blurs past. Highway cruising is effortless, the big V8 barely breaking a sweat, while city driving turns every stoplight into a temptation. You don't just drive this car, you negotiate with it, respect it, and occasionally let it remind you who's in charge. This is the kind of machine that connects generations. Older enthusiasts see it and remember a time when muscle ruled the streets. Younger fans see it and realize why these cars became legends in the first place. It bridges the gap between nostalgia and modern performance, proving that classic muscle doesn't have to be outdated to be relevant. The 1973 Dodge Challenger has always been an underdog in the muscle car timeline, overshadowed by earlier high horsepower years, but builds like this rewrite that narrative completely. By stripping away the limitations of the era and injecting modern performance technology, this Challenger becomes something even more impressive. A second chance at greatness, realized without compromise. Every drive in this car feels like an event. You don't just run errands, you make entrances. Gas station stops turn into conversations. Strangers give you thumbs up, kids point, cameras come out. This Challenger has presence, and it knows it. It's not subtle, it's not quiet, and it's definitely not boring. At its core, this 1973 Dodge Challenger is about emotion. It's about the sound of a big block V8 echoing through the streets. It's about the feeling of raw power under your right foot. It's about owning a piece of automotive history that has been reimagined for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. So if you're someone who believes cars should make you feel something, if you crave the kind of driving experience that modern machines can't deliver, this Challenger is proof that muscle is alive and well. It's loud, it's aggressive, it's unapologetic, and it's exactly what a Dodge Challenger should be. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one seriously cool classic, make sure you like the video, drop a comment telling me what you think of this 493 cubic inch beast, and don't forget, what's up everyone, subscribe my channel because we've got a lot more legendary metal coming your way.